So which statement explains why methane is having a lower boiling point than water? So methane is CH4 and water is H2O. Statement C is totally wrong because methane molecules heavier than water molecule. Even the mass of the molecule does not have that effect, like mass effect the diffusion, not the boiling point. The boiling or the melting point depends on attractive force. They mentioned methane is having a lower boiling point than water. It means when we compare the force between them, in comparison, methane, because it's having a lower boiling point, so it will have a weaker force, and water should have a strong force between the molecule. Because methane molecular boiling point is smaller than water. And both are simple structures, both are simple covalent structure. So methane has weak covalent bond. This statement is totally wrong. Covalent bonds are always strong. Because even in a methane, which is CH4, the bond between the atoms are very strong. But the boiling point or the melting point depends on intermolecular force, the force between the molecule. Like this is one molecule of methane, this is another molecule of methane. Between the atoms, the bonds are strong. Like this, these bonds, carbon and hydrogen bonds are strong, but between the molecules, the forces are weak. Where in case of water, which is H2O, this force is also weak. Both forces are weak, but comparative, when we compare this methane, because it's having a low boiling point, so it will be very weak compared to that of water. So methane is having a weaker covalent bond. That's totally wrong. Both have a strong covalent bonds. Methane is having a weaker attractive force than water. That's true. Like weaker attractive force. That's why a small amount of energy can separate the molecules from each other. So B is the right answer. Why not C? Methane molecules are heavier. Again, the mass of the molecule affects the diffusion, not the boiling point. And methane molecule have more bonds than water molecule. Even though this statement is correct, but that does not give an evidence or this statement is true. Like this statement is correct that methane molecule is having more bonds than water molecule. But that statement does not give any evidence about the low boiling point. The boiling point depends on the attractive force between the molecules. So because simple covalent structures have weak attractive force, that's why they have low boiling point.